Accessing the HighLevel Analytics Dashboard in 2024 involves several steps. HighLevel is a comprehensive platform for marketers and businesses, providing tools for CRM, marketing automation, and analytics. Here's how you can access the Analytics Dashboard. You can use the link in the description to try HighLevel. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your HighLevel dashboard. Look at the left-hand sidebar. You should see a list of menu options. Click on Analytics. This section might be under a broader category like Reports or Insights. Within the Analytics section, you may find various types of reports and dashboards, such as Funnel Analytics, Website Analytics, Campaign Performance, Customer Insights. Select the specific dashboard that you are interested in. Use filters and customization options to tailor the dashboard to your needs. You can often filter by date range, specific campaigns, user segments, etc. Some dashboards allow you to export data or generate reports directly from the interface. Review the presented data and insights. The dashboard typically displays various metrics and visualizations to help you understand performance trends and key metrics. Depending on your high-level plan and the integrations you have set up, you might have access to more advanced analytics tools. Explore additional features such as A/B testing results, customer journey analytics, and more. By following these steps, you should be able to access and utilize the high-level analytics dashboard effectively. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try HighLevel.